You know what? Nothing ever ceases to amaze me. One issue that we've came across on a property that we've purchased to refurb, huge amount of damp and water ingress inside of the house, particularly at one corner. And during some of the rain that we've had, I noticed one of the downpipes was overflowing. Generally, the cause for that is a bit of debris gets into a downpipe from the roof and it clogs up and then it overflows. However, when I removed the downpipe, I was quite astonished to find what the previous builders or owners had done. And as you can see here, look, this is where the downpipe came down the side of the house, went into the ground. And very often what that means is there's a drain channel underground that's linked into, and that obviously then drains away into the underground drainage system. However, when we eventually pulled it out, we thought, whoa, it's not going anywhere. Now sometimes that means it's going into a soakaway, which is a naturally constructed drainage system that allows water from the roof and downpipes to drain into the soil naturally. However, right next to this downpipe was a manhole cover. So I thought, oh, that must be going into the manhole cover. Anyway, when we lifted the manhole cover, there's no outlet or inlet into this drain from this particular downpipe. So basically what was happening, all the water was coming down off the roof, down this downpipe and into the ground here. Now, no wonder the volume of water that must have been coming down here was soaking into the house, because ideally it should have come into maybe a drain like this or another nearby drain, but it wasn't. So it just goes to show, when you think a simple damp issue can turn out to be something quite substantial. So what does this mean? Well, it now means that we've got to create another channel for this water to drain into this particular manhole. Had we not identified this, then this problem would have just, grown and grown and grown. More damp would have gone into the house and so on. So what we thought was just a simple downpipe clog, it turned out to be a major drain issue. So it just goes to show, unforeseens on any type of remedial or renovation project can crop up. So yeah, watch this space if you'd like to know any more tips or horror stories or learn anything about property. Please get in touch. Give us a like to this video, sign up to our video channel, and we'd be more than delighted to help you with any other tips that we come across. Until then, ciao for now.